What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed Twitter or X posts into your WordPress blog, into your WordPress site. Simple, easy, without plugin, without API, just a simple solution, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Twitter, find the post that you would like to embed. In my case, it's gonna be this one, okay? Then go to the post, review the upper right corner of the post, and you're going to be able to find these three little dots. Call it more if you hover over it, okay? Click on it, and then you're going to be able to find embed post. Click on it. Twitter or X going to lead you to this page with the post already linked, and you can choose embed video or embed post. I want to embed the post, okay, because the video is on YouTube and it's just an attachment of the post. So I'm gonna click into this option right here, copy code, okay? Then you're gonna click into the customize to share with you. Then log in to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, review the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and then you can apply it on pages, on posts, wherever you want. I'm gonna apply into a new post. So left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over posts, you can select a previously made post or create a new post and click into this plus button. Then you need to search for this into custom HTML and click on edit HTML. Paste the code that you just copied on X post. Click on update. You can publish or preview the post so you can see the result. Let's see the post. First, it's gonna look strange, but in some seconds, you're gonna load the Twitter design, the X design, and you have buttons to follow your account. You have links, you have the video, you can load the replies in the case that you want, and it's easy. And you can combine this with your content, with your blog content. Now, let's come back to this option right here. Unless you'd like to customize options, let's try to customize options. Light, we can change the light to dark, for example. Automatic, hide conversation in the case that you want. You can opt out to tolling X. Then you can update the code and copy the new code. Let's go back to my edit HTML, place the new code, update, save the page, and let's review the results we got. Here are the results. So you can choose the colors in the case that you want. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.